He is an Esper, blessed with psychic abilities, a grade schooler called Mob by those around him. Even though these tremendous powers have been bestowed upon him, subconsciously, he's always avoided displaying these abilities. As he grew older and became more aware, he came to realize just how dangerous his powers were. When people are unable to act or do as they please, or to truly express themselves, their emotions come to a halt. While attempting to spare the world around him, Mob's aversion to using his powers has become a complex. The emotions locked away deep inside his heart expand little by little, moment by moment. However, there's a limit to how much his emotions can take before leaking out and going wild. And now, an emotion is swirling around inside him like a torrential hurricane, going past the limit. That emotion is rage.
No, I won't use them. It's coming. I'm going to change.
Huh? Hey, Kageyama? Hey, wake up! Wait! Don't leave me behind! Kageyama!
The battle between the two Espers, Shigeo Kageyama and Teruki Hanazawa, never reached its conclusion. As a result of rejecting each other's ideals, there was no victor, and they were only left to fill the void in their hearts with a feeling of deep emptiness. Or so it seemed.
What is that thing?
It was then that Mob realized. He failed to change as he had promised himself. He caused another accident because of his psychic powers. He didn't know where to direct his emotions. His powerlessness born from overwhelming contradictions, and the feeling he would never be able to conquer himself. Sadness. What had just occurred was Mob's meager attempt at resisting his inner self.
Think I'll take this opportunity to wipe it off!
Look what you've done. This is the first time this has happened while I'm still conscious. Can you feel it? Rage burning in me. No! This isn't real! Master really is amazing.
It's okay to run away. As soon as he heard those words, the explosive amount of energy building up to a critical level within Mob changed its direction. There are times when the power of one's words are unfathomable. Those with power must choose to fight. The thought of that responsibility made Mob's bridge collapse. But sometimes, one's heart can find the resolution it needs just by getting a helping hand. As a result, all of Mob's energy was temporarily tossed over to Reigen. In essence, he'd successfully run away and was feeling calm and refreshed. All that was left in his heart was gratitude towards his wise master.
Are these soap bubbles?